video. So after some time later, I will start this label too. But before that, I will show you the uh, CSS level 1 assessment solution. For that, for this assessment, you will be given a HTML file already separately, and you have given I have given you one CSS file that is almost empty, which is containing some comments related to the task. So comment will tell you about the task, which task you need to do. So it will be your task to edit a CSS, that CSS file to make the HTML look like solutions. Okay. And there are three files you will need to from the CSS level 1 folder. Actually, you will need three files. So one that is the CSS level 1 assessment.css file. Uh, okay, Rutuja, no need to send me a WhatsApp message during the class. You can send me assessment by tomorrow anytime, okay? And after the lecture or before and during daytime of tomorrow, you can send. So CSS level 1 test solutions dot CSS. This actually this is the solution dot CSS file. This will you need to do complete, okay? So, and now it is time to explore the solution of that uh, CSS level 2 assessment. So directly I'm showing you some solution of which already completed. Okay. Uh, okay. This one I am not deleting. This one also not deleting. This let me finish. Okay. Why this is splitting? I want to open that same file here. Okay. Okay. So this is actually the solution of that level 1 assessment. Okay, so for this test, edit the CSS file and complete the commented task below. Uh, you would not be editing any HTML. So basically, you would not need not to edit this HTML file, which I have already given to you. You need to write some CSS after below the given lines. So blue background using hex code. So you need to provide the code that is color hex code only for the only for the body element. So it's very simple for body. Then you need you will apply the selector method body, then some curly braces, and inside that curly braces you need to write border background color, or you can also write background also. This will also apply, okay? Both way you can work. Background color will also applicable, and simple background is also applicable. So you need to provide the hex code. Task 2, that is change the h1 to have a 1 pixel solid black border. Okay, so what is the h1? Actually, I want to show you. This is the h1 actually. H1 heading. This one. Welcome to free blog. Okay, this for this one you need to write the 1 pixel size solid black color border. So this way you can provide this h1 CSS, required CSS. So 1 pixel solid black. I hope everyone understand the solution. And actually no one please don't take the screenshot of this solution so that you can copy and paste. Okay, I don't want this from you. So okay, so H2 make all H2 element the color purple. That is very simple. Only it is telling about the H2, so you need to give H2 then color of that purple. Simple. Task will make all input boxes having a 2 pixel solid dark border. Use RGB for color. Okay, for color only you need to another method, not a hex method here that you are already provided in top of that file. You need to add RGB format. Okay, red, green, blue format. So for that you need to write input box, then border 2 pixel solid RGB, that color. Okay, and in RGB you can provide any color. You can take the help of internet. There are many resources available about it. RGB, you simply search RGB, then you can find everything. So task 5, give a light yellow background to all paragraph elements inside of a division element using hex for the color. कलर के लिए hex यूज करना है आपको, ठीक है. So you need to give a light yellow color. Light yellow color. You need to find that light yellow color by simply searching on the Chrome. Chrome पे आप directly search करके पता लगा सकते हो. You can find. So this way division then P. So here a hack is that you need to provide the light blue color to the division tag. Okay, division paragraph. So task 6 is telling about there is a text area element with the ID. With the ID. Okay. That is very important. Give it to the following properties. 5 pixels solid gray border you need to give, and the width of 800 pixel and a height of 400 pixel. So for ID we need to provide the CSS like that. Okay. I need to open that. Okay. Border 5 pixel solid gray, width 800 pixel, height 400 pixel. Okay. So this way you can provide the color. Okay. I hope everyone have joined the class. So I'm happy to see that. Okay, task 7. There is a link to Google on the page. Make this link red. Okay, I am showing the link of Google. Actually, this is the link of Google. So that task I already have done in the actually the CSS tutorial which I have provided you, and you can take the help from that whichever have concentrated in that class. So for the Google okay. For the Google, I want to for the Google tag that is anchor tag. Okay, for the Google you want to give the color red. Task 8 is make element with the ID item 1. Item 1 ID element have a overline text decoration and be the color purple. Text decoration overline and color purple. Simple. It's saying about the ID. Finally, make the element with a class level exit have a background of blue and a 4 pixel dashed yellow border. So this way you can do. So this exit is a class. So we will follow the class method here. Dot. Okay. Uh, this is bonus challenge. Actually, you need to do this or not. Okay. Uh, so there is a link to Google on the page in the list. Yes, it is available. Can you figure out how to change the color of if you click on the link? How to change the color if you click on the link? So this is actually new for you. So when you click the link, when you hover above it, so that color will be changed into blue because already that color is available into the red. We have already given the red color of that anchor tag Google. Okay, but while hovering the cursor, while you click on that, that will come and convert it into the blue. So this you can do that this way. So whenever you want to add the hovering effect in your website, in that way I think CSS will work like this colon way. So this colon is actually used for adding the hovering effect. Okay, so this is the solution of our CSS level 1 assessment. So by tomorrow, that is the last day for this assessment. So by tomorrow end of the day, that we will say EOD, I want this. Okay, so everyone understand? Okay, so let's go further. I want to close this. I want to open the our browser here, and we'll go to this for this part, HTML and CSS. So in this file, I will write HTML for you, and in this file, I will write CSS for you. This way, we will do practice. Okay. Uh, okay. But before that, I want to give you the overview of CSS level 2. So now we are starting some advanced CSS actually. So this way we can complete our CSS part. HTML part we have already done. So in this week, maybe on, yes, by Sunday I will finish the CSS. Okay. By Sunday I will finish this CSS, and we will do some small project of CSS also. So that way we can finish CSS, and then we will complete it by we will complete it our two had modules, that is HTML, CSS. That is very important modules actually. After that, we will focus our uh, next front-end part, that is JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap. So welcome to CSS level 2, guys. In this section of the course, we will continue to expand our knowledge of CSS by learning about fonts and the box model. Okay. So in this level 2, we'll focus on fonts of our text and box model. Okay, this will be a shorter section actually, a very short section, but at the end we have a project for you that I have already informed you. In this short session we have a project. Okay, so actually by project we learn much more as compared to trainings. So let's get started for CSS level part 1. I need to start in this lecture. Actually, we will learn about font properties with CSS. So I think you already aware about the font, Google font. So whenever you read the text on any websites, that will be written in any font, which is the standard font which is provided by the Google. So there are some fonts available. Okay, Roboto, Monstreet, Arial. These are fonts already available. So I need to I need to introduce you about the font family in our CHS. So such as size, weight, text alignment. These things also I will cover in this size, weight, text alignment. So left, right, and center, that text alignment very important for learning CSS. So we will also learn how to download and change fonts. Okay, how to download font from Google. So when dealing with fonts, we have to keep in mind that not every operating system has every font. Okay, so that Mozilla operating system and these other operating system have different types of font, and Chrome and this is these browsers. Actually I'm talking about the browsers. So these browsers also have uh, different types of fonts available. Okay, we may need to provide the font for our website on the basis of that. Because of this we will be exploring a few links. So in this tutorial of level 2, I will show you some OS support for certain fonts, and downloading the fonts, how to download that fonts. Okay, and let's start by showing some basic font properties with CSS. Okay, so let me continue our this level part 1, and I will write some code for you so that you can understand properly. Yes. Okay, I will write some code. Let me search for specific code for you. So in the CSS level 2 part, we will focus on what font. Okay. So so for that I need to write some HTML so that you can understand. So let me remove that CSS here from here. So this will tell you about the CSS part level 2. Okay. inside the body I need to write some CSS. So before I need to write one H1 heading, that will be the heading one of our HTML. Okay. After that, I need to write one paragraph. So inside the paragraph, I need to write some lorem ipsum uh, to text. So this way you can write the text in Atom text editor. What you need to do? Just type the L, then enter. Okay. So this way you can write the one full paragraph, that is fake paragraph actually, a demo paragraph. Okay. Let me add some text too also. Okay. And text 2, that paragraph 2, I will provide you one ID actually, so that you can easily differentiate about the different part of the CSS. So that ID actually I want to give the 2, because this is the paragraph 2, and here also I will provide some lorem ipsum, that fake text. Okay. So this way I have completed the 2 paragraph in our web page, so that I can tell you the different property of fonts by using these paragraph. For that I need to remove that CSS, because we will not need this. So I will save this, and I also save this also, and I need to show you the CSS web page in our. So in this design full stack, we are here, and I need to open this web page, same web page in the browser. So like this way I can open. Okay, now you can easily see the web page. Okay, what we have done, we have added the heading one here, and in the heading we have added the 2 paragraph, that is lorem ipsum 1 and lorem ipsum fake content 2. Okay, so basic concept is showing you the CSS actually. Okay. So first of all, for our H1 heading, I want to give a font family. Okay. Hey, hi, Nehal. Nehal, please off your camera, bro. So I need to add a font family here. So what will be the font family? The font family I want to give. Uh, you can give cursive, fantasy, inherit, more this type of font family you can give. So let me give cursive. Okay. So you can see the difference here. So you can see this is the cursive font. Okay. So you can add by your choice. So I want to add some famous font here, that is Arial. We can give Arial font, and so font is a string, so I need to enclose it in double quotes. Okay. So I want to show you that way. So this is the font family, Arial font family I have given. That is very famous actually. That is that will be using by many persons. Okay. So this way, font family you can give any text. Okay. Paragraph also I can give font family. So let me show you by giving paragraph also font family. So I want to give paragraph, first paragraph actually, and what font family I want to give? I want to go monospace actually. Okay. Sans serif I can give, and you can give by your choice. So this way you can see. So this paragraph actually, I have given the CSS to paragraph tag. So it will apply to all the paragraph actually, because I have not differentiated yet. So what I need to do, I need to add specific uh, thing to our CSS. So by using that ID we can do, but that will I will tell you later. Okay. Before that, I want to tell you something else. You can uh, remove or you can reduce or increase the font size. Okay, by this way, because all the things are in body of our HTML. You know, so we can give the font size of our body. Okay, so font size we can give 10 pixel. Okay, you can give by your choice. So this way you can change the font of your text which is available in the body. Okay, so let me give 100 and you can see easily the change. Okay, so this font have already changed to 100 pixel. Okay, so let me give the 25, not 25, 20. Okay, so 20 you can see, so it's a decent actually. So this way you can give the font size to every text which is available in the body. Okay, but this size will not differentiate heading or paragraph. Okay, so heading or paragraph already will be in the same format that is available, but it will change the size. Okay, now what we want, actually we want to differentiate our paragraph 1 with paragraph 2. So paragraph already I have given the monospace and the font size I have not given yet. So I want to show you I can give the different font family to the second paragraph, and different font size I can also give, so you can understand. Font family we can give, but before that I want to show you. Actually we have pixel, px means pixel, that is the size measuring unit you can say. जैसे लेंथ का मीटर होता है, फुट होता है, ऐसे ही तो साइज का यहाँ पे सीएसएस में पिक्सल होता है. इसके अलावा हमारे पास एक और होता है 1 em. ओके, और ये जो 1 em होता है वो एक्चुअली विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 16 पिक्सल. यू कैन डिफाइन इट. ओके, यू कैन डिफाइन इट. अगर 1 em इक्वल टू 16 पिक्सल है, then 2 em, what will be the 2em can be the 32 pixel. Okay, this way this can be do. uh, okay, I mean you can provide the font size uh, in the form of em also. Okay, you can provide. So there are 10 minutes are remaining, so I need to complete this lecture. So I will tell you by adding the font size in the form of em. Okay, so I have already given 20 pixel. So that 20 pixel I already given font size. So this font size I have already used in body. Okay, now whichever thing available in the body, and I need to give the different font size in the form of em, and this is I am giving to the id, so this will override. Okay, so no doubt in this. Okay, okay, because id css will override on everything. So let me show you size here, but font size will be in the form of em. So I want to give 2.0 em. So 1 em is equal to 20 pixel, because we have already given the 20 pixel, but 2 em will be the 40 pixel. So let me save this, and this way you can easily differentiate the size of the two paragraph. Okay. So I want to give here 1 em, so you can easily see the changes here. Okay. Now in our paragraph tag, I also want to add something else. The font style also I want to add, and font weight I also want to give. So here I want to give font style. So font style you can give what? Italic. Okay. I have given the italic font style. Font weight. You can give the font weight also. And font weight I need to give the bold. So this way, let me save this and you can understand. So this way I have changed the both paragraph into italic and bold. Italic and bold. So this way you can change the font style, font size, font weight, font color. Okay, font color also you can give. Let let me check. Font color is available or no? No, no, no. There is not anything like font color. Okay, so I was wrong. Font style you can give font weight, font family, font variant, font stretch, font kerning, this font variant, legacy, font size adjust. This thing, these things you can give. Okay, and let me give another thing. I want to tell you about the alignment, text alignments. Okay, so this way you can give the text alignment to H1. So text alignment center, text alignment center. So let me save this and you can find. So this H1 actually heading, I have given the text alignment to center. So heading is going went to center. So these things you can add in font format in your CSS. So this is about this lecture actually, and in font also I will see furthermore. Okay, because level part will be continue furthermore. So I will show you in this lecture of label part 1 that we showed some basic CSS properties of fonts also. Uh, that I already shown you. Now let's explore how to understand operator system choice and font which is available in different operating systems. So I also show you how to use custom web fonts that will be available. Okay. So this will I will do in the second meeting that will be started after completing this meeting. Okay, so let me stop the recording for this session.